everyone, my name is Louise Bailey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Edale. I'd like to welcome you today to the Daily Bailey, which is a factory tour here at Edale to show you which machines we've got going through manufacture. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go. Next up, in one of our bays, we have a Labelstream 4000, which we work in partnership with Canon. This particular machine is actually being shipped to Europe. It's a second machine for this particular customer. And as you can see, they have one pre-flexo for the digital unit. So the digital unit's got CMYK, orange and green. And they also have an inspection table after the digital unit. And one post flexo. So on this Labelstream we have a semi-rotary die cutting station with an auto load and unload of the dies. We have the break-free waste matrix, and this particular machine also has auto set slitting, which you can see just before the rewind here on the end of the press. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to have more information, you can contact info@edale.com, or you can email myself, louise@edale.com. And if you'd like to join us tomorrow, there'll be more Daily Bailey around the factory. See you soon.